Ever wondered what sets the wealthy apart? Today, we're diving into the powerful habits that drive their success. From disciplined routines to wise investments, join us as we uncover the secrets of the rich. Don't forget to subscribe to LuxFluent for more insights into the world of wealth and success. Daily routines. One key habit that stands out among the rich and successful in 2024 is having a disciplined daily routine. These individuals often rise with the sun around 5 a.m. to engage in activities such as exercise, meditation, and enjoying a healthy breakfast. This early start helps set a positive tone for the day and significantly boosts productivity. On the other hand, many people tend to hit the snooze button multiple times, leading to a rushed and chaotic morning. By starting their day early and with intention, the wealthy create a sense of control and purpose that carries through their entire day. Having a structured morning routine isn't just about being productive, it's about creating a foundation for success. Early risers take advantage of the quiet, uninterrupted time to focus on personal growth, planning, and goal setting. This approach not only enhances their physical and mental well-being, but also allows them to tackle the day's challenges with a clear and focused mind. Continuous learning. In addition to a disciplined daily routine, continuous learning is another essential habit that the rich and wealthy use to become successful in 2024. These individuals understand that the world is constantly changing, and staying informed is crucial for maintaining their competitive edge. They invest time in reading books, attending webinars, and enrolling in online courses. This commitment to learning allows them to stay updated on industry trends and expand their knowledge base, giving them the tools to innovate and adapt. Imagine the difference between someone who spends their evenings immersed in a captivating book or engaging in a thought-provoking webinar versus someone who mindlessly scrolls through social media or watches TV without purpose. The former is actively feeding their mind, gaining new insights and ideas, while the latter is passively consuming content that often adds little value. The wealthy recognize that knowledge is power. By continuously learning, they not only enhance their expertise, but also open themselves up to new opportunities. This habit of lifelong learning fuels their creativity and problem-solving abilities, making them more effective in their professional and personal lives. It's not about acquiring information, it's about applying that knowledge to make smarter decisions and stay ahead of the curve. Continuous learning also fosters a growth mindset. It encourages curiosity and resilience, qualities that are essential for navigating the ups and downs of any career. By prioritizing education and self-improvement, the wealthy build a solid foundation for long-term success. They understand that investing in themselves is one of the best investments they can make, ensuring they remain relevant in an ever-evolving world. Networking. Networking is another crucial habit that the rich and wealthy use to build and sustain their success in 2024. These individuals understand that who you know can be just as important as what you know. They actively seek out opportunities to attend events, conferences, and social gatherings where they can connect with influential people. These connections often open doors to opportunities and insights that aren't accessible through regular channels. Imagine the benefits of having a robust network of accomplished professionals who can offer advice, share experiences, and even provide opportunities for collaboration. This network acts as a valuable resource, providing the wealthy with a wealth of knowledge and support. It's not just about exchanging business cards, it's about building meaningful relationships that can lead to mutually beneficial opportunities. The wealthy recognize that stepping out of their comfort zone and engaging with others is essential for growth. They see networking as an investment in their future, knowing that the right connections can provide significant advantages in both their professional and personal lives. By prioritizing networking, the rich and wealthy ensure they are constantly expanding their circles and staying connected to the latest trends and opportunities. This habit of building and maintaining a strong network is a powerful tool that helps them achieve and sustain their success. Goal setting and planning. Setting clear, achievable goals and planning meticulously is another habit that sets the wealthy apart in 2024. Successful individuals don't just dream, they define their objectives and create detailed plans to achieve them. By breaking down their goals into manageable tasks, they ensure steady progress and can track their advancements regularly. This structured approach allows them to stay focused and motivated, knowing exactly what steps they need to reach their ambitions. Consider the difference between someone who outlines specific, actionable goals and someone who sets vague aspirations without a concrete plan. The former is more likely to see consistent, tangible results because they have a roadmap guiding their actions. The latter, however, may struggle with inconsistency and frustration as their lack of direction makes it difficult to measure success or stay on track. The wealthy understand the power of goal setting and meticulous planning. They know that success doesn't happen by chance. It requires deliberate effort and strategic thinking. By setting clear goals and regularly reviewing their progress, they can make necessary adjustments and stay aligned with their long-term vision. This habit not only enhances their productivity, but also boosts their confidence as they witness their achievements unfold. How do you maintain a healthy lifestyle amidst a busy schedule? Share your tricks for staying fit and focused in the comments. Investing wisely. Wise investment is another cornerstone habit that the rich and wealthy use to ensure their success in 2024. These individuals don't rely solely on savings accounts. Instead, they diversify their portfolios with stocks, real estate, and business ventures. By spreading their investments across various assets, they effectively manage risk and maximize potential returns. This strategic approach allows them to leverage their wealth, generating more income and building a robust financial foundation. Imagine the difference between someone who has a diversified investment portfolio and someone who only saves money in a bank account. The former not only protects their wealth from inflation, but also takes advantage of market opportunities to grow their assets. The latter, however, may miss out on significant growth potential, as savings accounts typically offer minimal returns. The wealthy understand that wise investing is about making informed decisions and being willing to take calculated risks. They stay educated about market trends and continuously seek opportunities to expand their financial horizons. This proactive mindset enables them to build and preserve their wealth over time. By prioritizing wise investments, the rich ensure their money works for them, providing a steady stream of income and financial security. This habit of thoughtful and informed investing is a key driver of their sustained success. Health and wellness. The rich understand that a healthy body and mind are critical for sustained productivity and overall well-being. To this end, they invest in high-quality healthcare, ensure they have regular checkups, and follow a balanced diet. This proactive approach to health helps them stay at the top of their game, both physically and mentally. Consider the contrast between someone who makes health a priority and someone who neglects it. The former enjoys higher energy levels, better focus, and fewer sick days, all of which contribute to higher productivity and effectiveness. On the other hand, neglecting health can lead to chronic medical issues, which can be costly and time-consuming to manage, ultimately reducing one's ability to perform at their best. The wealthy know that investing in their health pays dividends in the long run. By maintaining a healthy lifestyle, they not only enhance their quality of life, but also ensure they have the stamina to pursue their goals relentlessly. Regular exercise, nutritious food, and preventative healthcare are all part of their strategy to stay fit and resilient. By prioritizing health and wellness, the wealthy ensure they are always in peak condition to seize opportunities and tackle challenges head-on. This habit of maintaining health and wellness is a key pillar of their enduring success. Philanthropy and giving back. Philanthropy and giving back are integral habits among the rich and wealthy. These individuals understand the profound impact of supporting their communities and championing charitable causes. By engaging in philanthropy, they create positive change and build a lasting legacy that extends beyond their personal achievements. The wealthy often channel their resources into initiatives that address pressing social issues, improve education, and enhance healthcare. This not only benefits society at large, but also instills a sense of purpose and fulfillment in their lives. The act of giving back fosters strong community ties and garners respect and admiration from others, further enhancing their influence and reputation. Contrary to common belief, the impact of philanthropy is twofold. On a personal level, it provides a sense of satisfaction and meaning, enriching the giver's life. Socially, it creates a ripple effect, inspiring others to contribute and fostering a culture of generosity and support. While many might not recognize the significance of philanthropy, the wealthy understand that their success can be a powerful tool for good. By prioritizing giving back, they ensure that their wealth makes a meaningful difference both in their own lives and in the broader community. This habit of philanthropy is a cornerstone of their enduring success and a testament to their commitment to making the world a better place. Thanks for watching. Ready to make a change? Subscribe to Lux Fluent for more strategies on living like the wealthy and achieving your dreams. Get fluent, stay fluent, and elevate your life starting now.